Hi, I'm Jean.
And I'm Jim.
And for Craft Factory's Make It Your Own challenge, we've created this wax masterpiece based on Frida Kahlo's self-portrait with thorn necklace and hummingbird. We live in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and we've been candle artists for 10 years. I fell in love with crafting from the first moment I touched construction paper, scissors, and glue.
I went to art school and been crafting and doing all kinds of artistic endeavors ever since.
We decided to take on Craft Factory's Make It Your Own challenge because, like any new challenge, it's like falling in love. It's a rush of excitement and possibilities. We love Frida. The idea of taking a painting and make it into a candle was just really an exciting proposition for us.
We actually went through quite a few variations before we finally settled on something that we thought was working, because wax has adherence problems, meaning it doesn't like to adhere to another piece of wax,
Like
especially
that, right
once
there.
it's set. So you have to
like
be
that.
very careful, and it's all temperature, and so we probably did a total of about 24 tests before we finally settled on a look that we liked.
I craft because for me it helps my mental health. It's like a meditation for me. You also come out at the end with something that you can feel really proud of, which helps your self-esteem. It's something physical you can look at. Sometimes when we go to jobs where we're moving things around or doing things on the computer, we don't have something at the end of the day when we're tired that we can look at and say, look, we did this.
I hope you enjoyed hearing about our masterpiece. Let us know what you think in the comments.
And remember, you can get your very own candle making kits from craftfactory.com.
We can't wait to see what you come up with.